Hi, Liz Keefer with Hydro Hero, and this is another minute or so with the Mold Girl. Well, you might be wondering, why is the Mold Girl holding a black sunglasses case? Well, and it's because it's the only thing black I could find around the office. One of the biggest things I hear customers call with is, I have black mold. And that's because it is all over the media. Black mold causes this, black mold causes that, and then everybody sees anything in their home that might resemble mold and is the color, well, black, and they're calling us crying. So I just wanted to dispel the whole black mold myth and say that, first of all, mold can be any color of the rainbow. It really depends where it's getting its nutrients from and what it's feeding off of for the color of it. Second of all, when people are saying black mold, they're most likely referring to Stachybotrys. Stachybotrys is a mold that is a water damage indicator. So if you haven't had a major water damage, probably what you're seeing is not Stachybotrys, and it's not, therefore, this black mold. If you have any questions, give us a call today at Hydro Hero.